Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. All right guys, I'm really excited about today. I came across this recipe for hot chicken salad. It was tucked away in one of my grandmother's cookbooks, and it's in my mom's handwriting, so I'm sure my mom must have given it to her a long time ago. And I've just loved coming across these old recipes like this. So I'm going to give it a try. It looks delicious, sounds delicious, and super easy to make. I've got my ingredients here on my counter. I'm just going to go over them with you as I make it, but I will put the full recipe in the description box below so you guys can go check it out. But it's that time, guys. It's time to get cooking. So what I have here is around 2 cups of chicken. Now these were frozen chicken tenderloins that I boiled until they were tender, and then I cut them into pieces. All right, then you'll need a cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of sour cream. I'm going to give a good pinch of salt and black pepper. And then I have 1/3 cup of toasted slivered almonds. All right, and then I'm going to need the juice of about 1/2 a lemon, or 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. All right, and we're going to give this a mix. All right, so the recipe calls for 1/2 cup each of chopped onion and celery. Now this dish is baked in the oven. That's why it's called hot chicken salad. So you can add your vegetables directly to your chicken mixture if you want. I'm switching it up just a bit. I'm going to saute them in a skillet with 1 tablespoon of butter, just because I like my vegetables nice and tender. All right, so now I'm going to add my onions and celery to my chicken. All right, and I'm also going to add about 1/2 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. All right, so then I'm going to pour my chicken mixture into a small baking dish. I'm not sure of the size of that dish. It might be it's smaller than a 9 by 13. Like a 7 by 11 maybe. All right, then I'm going to sprinkle over about another 1/2 cup of the sharp cheddar cheese. All right, so then the last thing I'm going to put over top is potato chips. Yes. Potato chips. I've got some wavy potato chips here. And the recipe calls for about 1 cup of them. I'm just going to crush them up over top. Okay, so then bake in a 375-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. So while my chicken is in the oven baking, I thought I would take a moment to remind you guys about my cookbook. This will be a perfect Christmas gift. Now this is the first cookbook that I have ever made. I used Amazon Publishing. I was a little limited on the paper and the ink, but I think it turned out great. So many of you have sent me wonderful, encouraging messages. You're letting me know that you really like the book and the recipes in it, and that is so exciting to me. If you've already got the cookbook, I just want to say a huge thank you, thank you. I truly, truly appreciate you. If you haven't got it yet, I hope that you consider it. Oh, wow, this hot chicken salad looks and smells delicious. Now it's time to taste it. You guys got to check this out. Oh, that is delicious. I love the crunch of the potato chips on top and the almonds that are inside. Oh, they're delicious. Oh guys, that hot chicken salad is delicious. I hope that you give it a try. Well, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.